This is Mrs. Love with Home Project Logic. I wanted to show you my mosquito repellent recipe for all natural repellent. I bought this bottle from Walmart. This is a peroxide bottle. It's a 124. Emptied it out, and the recipe goes as follows. You use a half a cup of distilled water, half a cup of Witch Hazel, a teaspoon of pure glycerin, and then you use, which one is this one? 30 drops of Citronella, 15 drops of lemongrass, 15 drops of cedar wood. Put it all together in the bottle, shake it up, and you have mosquito repellent. I got some of my oils from Pure and Pride and some from Vitamin Shop. This is Mrs. Love with Home Project Logic.